Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Silverado 3500HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power tailgate, chrome mirror caps, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.